Hello everyone, I am Bharti from Gyaniketan Girls School. Today I have come up with a new video. In this video, students, you will get the summary, theme and moral of the story The Necklace. This story has been taken from your supplementary reader book Footprints Without Feet. Let us begin with some facts about the author. This story, The Necklace, has been written by the famous French author Guy de Maupassant. He was master of the short stories. He was a representative of the naturalist school of writers. He depicted human lives and social forces in disillusioned and often in pessimistic terms. Most of his stories they end with a twist. So, ironic ending is a hallmark of his style. Have a look at the theme of the story. The theme of the story, The Necklace, is very relevant. The theme is to be happy with whom you are and what you possess. Matilda Loisel lived in a very average middle class family but longed to be a member of the high society. She was an ostentatious woman. She wanted to live her life beyond her means and would go to any extent to get herself placed there. She borrowed a necklace and bought a pretty dress for the ball. She wanted to present herself as a high profile, glamorous lady. When she reached home after the party, she found the necklace lost. Then she desperately searched the necklace with the help of her husband, but all efforts went in vain. Then they decided to buy a duplicate necklace. Her life became miserable due to debt, and then the final blow she suffered was that the necklace was an imitation. Thus, she failed to enjoy the happiness of the real things she possessed and suffered severely because of her temptations for things that she didn't possess. Now, the summary of the story. The Necklace is a short story about a middle class woman named Matilda Loisel who longs for a luxurious lifestyle. She was married to a clerk as her family was unable to give huge dowry. However, Matilda's desire was to be rich. She felt irritated, disappointed, and sad of not having a large house. She desired to have beautiful dresses, lots of jewelry, but in reality, she didn't possess these things that made her happy and satisfied. One day, her husband brought an invitation to a ball. She thought that his wife would become very excited and happy after seeing the invitation. But his wife, instead of getting happy, threw away the invitation card in despair. She grumbled that she hadn't a pretty dress. She grumbled that she hadn't a party dress to wear on such a great occasion. She wanted to seek admiration of everyone. She began weeping. Her gentle husband then asked her to buy a new party wear. He gave her 400 francs to buy a pretty dress. As the ball approached closer, Matilda seemed to be more anxious again. She was upset because she felt that she didn't have any jewelry to wear. Her husband suggested her to borrow a jewel from her wealthy friend Jean Forestier. Matilda borrowed a sparkling necklace. Matilda went to the party with her husband. She enjoyed a lot there and very early morning in the odd hours returned home. On reaching home, she found that the necklace was lost. She got very upset and both of them searched a lot to get back the necklace. They took every measure to find out the lost necklace, but all in vain. Finally, they decided to buy a duplicate necklace and gave it to Jane. It was an expensive affair. They managed to buy the necklace through inherited and borrowed money. In fact, they put themselves in the debt trap. It took them 10 years to repay the borrowed money. During these years, they had to live a very tough and stressful life. They had to make great sacrifices to manage things. Matilda and her husband moved to a smaller apartment to live in. She removed the maid from job. She washed the dishes and cooked the food herself. Her husband had to do multiple jobs to repay the amount. Because of this stressful life, she looked very aged. One day, she saw her friend Jane Forresty, who failed to recognize her. Matilda told the truth of necklace to her, and she got shocked when her friend revealed that the necklace was false. So, students, this story gives us a very good moral lesson, and the lesson is that one should not crave for luxuries. The story emphasizes on this fact that one should not crave for luxuries. One must be satisfied and content with what one has. Secondly, we should never hide the truth. If Matilda would have told the truth to her friend, she would have known the truth of the diamond necklace and might have escaped all the troubles and sufferings that arose due to the debt she had taken to buy a new diamond necklace. I hope, students, that of you have enjoyed this session and you have understood the story, the main plot, and the characters of this story, what are their mindset, what are their thoughts and ideas, and that will help you in giving a character sketch of these characters. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.